Hello everyone. Am I audible, guys? Please let me know in the chat box. And whether my screen is visible to you or not, please also let me know. Just let me check on my phone also so that I become Atmanirbhar. Uh, yes. Good evening. Yes. Cool. So everything is working, I think. Cool. Just give me a sec so that I can check all the different settings over here. Yes. So everything is going good. That's a good start, I would say. Yes, so I hope you all are doing good and you all are preparing very hard for NABARD Grade A 2023. And mind you, my friend, hardly few days are left now, or I would say enough days are left. How do I join EduTap online coaching? I will tell you, Armstrong, just wait for a minute. Okay, I have to check the chat box in my phone. So please allow me to see it also, okay? Yes. So a very warm welcome to all of you, my friends. In this particular class, we will solve maximum of the previous year questions which have appeared from 2019 to 2022. From 2021 and 2022, I hope you remember the exam pattern got changed and the computer was shifted to non-merit section. So we will discuss all the previous year questions of 2021 and 2022, and we will also discuss questions from 2019 and 2020 as well. Okay, so we have multiple MCQs to discuss today, and in total there are 60 previous year questions which are there, which you have to solve with me right now. And mind you, I will be asking questions as well, so please respond to them in the chat box. Do not become a couchy potato, become energetic, and I hope you all will coordinate with good responses. And yes, before I begin this session, from the entire team of EduTap, from the entire management, from the entire support team, we offer our sincere condolences to the one of the greatest personalities in the field of agriculture, MS Swaminathan. We all know what was his contribution in the field of agriculture, right? So we just got the news and we just wanted to pass you the message that he is no more. But yes, he has made some big contributions to the field of agriculture, and I hope you remember that he is also known as the father of Green Revolution. Okay, so a heartfelt condolences for his family. Now let's start the session, my friend. I hope everything is going good. Yes, the PDF of this particular class will be available on our Telegram channel. So please do not ask me again and again that where is Telegram channel, how to get the PDF. The same way, the link of the Telegram channel is given in your description box. All you need to click on that particular link and it will guide you towards the official Telegram channel of our EduTap. Okay, so you will get the PDF over there. And if you are new to our session, then definitely you can subscribe to our channel. It will definitely help you. Now let's start the class, my friends. I hope you all are energetic. So let's start now. Question number 1 appeared in NABARD Grade 2022. First we will solve all the questions of 2022. Then we will move to 2021, then 2020, and then we will go to 2019. Okay, so we are going in a descending manner. Now, question number 1 right now on your screen. And mind you, my friend, this particular class can make your confidence go up and go down as well. So please be sure that you are answering the questions in the best format as possible. Okay, and if you are prepared to appear in the computer section of NABARD Grade A, then this is your class. Okay, so please be energetic. I am not repeating again and again. Okay, and within 1.5 hours we will wind up. So we have to solve 60 questions in 1.5 hours. Cool. So I can see maximum of you are answering answer as B. Which of the following is the shortcut key which will be used to bold the text in MS Word? Now I would say this is a very halwa question, a cakewalk question I would say, because these are the formulas which we are learning from our 6th standard. If I'm not wrong, some might have started these learning of these basic shortcuts from their 4th standard as well. Okay. Now tell me, if I have to open the file in MS Word, what will be the shortcut? If I have to open a file in my MS Word, what will be the shortcut? I need fast responses. Do not become couchy potato. Just write fast. Okay. Here, yes, the answer will be Control plus B, which is your option number B. Okay. If I have to open a file, then I will press which particular combination of shortcut. Can you please let me know in the chat box? It has to be very fast, my friends. Okay. As soon as I tell you the question, you have to answer it in the chat box. so that I can match with your responses. Yes, control plus O is the right answer. So control plus O is for open. Control plus V. Can someone let me know the function of control plus V? Can someone let me know the function of control plus V? Control plus C is for copy. Okay, and control plus A is for selecting all the text which you have written in your MS Word. Okay, can someone let me know what is the function of control plus V? Very fast. You are the youth of this particular nation, so I want you to be fast. Yes, control plus V is used for paste. Very good. Okay, and can someone let me know if I have to close the document of Word, then what will be the shortcut which I will be using? If I have to close the Word document, then what will be the shortcut which I will be using? Here the answer is option B only. Okay, but if I have to close a Word file, then what shortcut I can use? Can someone let me know in the chat box? No one? Till now I am getting the answer as paste, paste, paste. Now I am not taking the name of those persons who are answering paste, because looks very creepy, right? Chaliye. Yes, control plus W is the right answer. Okay, you can also do it. Yes, control plus W is the right answer which I was looking for. Good. So those who have answered it as control plus W, they are correct. Now question number 2. Also my friends, keep tallying your score. Like for example, if you have answered question number 1, so write somewhere in your rough paper, or just remember that you have solved question number 1 correctly. Okay, because in the end I will ask you your score as well. If you are scoring above 10, then you are on the right track. If you are scoring below 10 out of 20, then there is a need to worry. Okay, question number 2. Which of the following shortcut key will be used for center alignment? Now if you see the NABARD grade A 2021, 2022, 2019, 2020, what is the basic structure which they are following? They will definitely ask you question from short forms like these: control plus J, control plus L, so on and so forth. And they will also ask you question from short forms like what is the short form of what is the full form of URL, what is the full form of LCD, what is the full form of OLED, so on and so forth. So that if you even do shortcuts and short forms, all the majority of them, then also you will definitely get 4 plus or 5 plus in the 20-mark paper of computer. Yes, which of the following is the shortcut key used for center alignment? So center alignment may we use control plus E. For left alignment we use what? Control plus L. For right alignment we use control plus R. For justifying our text we use control plus J. So you will have to do certain type of rectification, I would say, over here, because definitely these are school standard questions which are appearing in your officer level exam. Okay, here mind you the answer will be option D. Control plus O we have discussed, control plus L we have discussed, control plus A also we have discussed, right? Control plus J is for justify, remember that. Okay, tell me what is the shortcut key for printing? If I have to print Word file, then what is the shortcut key which I will be pressing? What will be the shortcut key which I will be using for print? Can someone let me know? Fatafat yaar, we do not have much time today. Fatafat. I hope you remember that we have our Ganesh Visarjan today. Okay. So I'm not going away, but we have done that particular activity, but just I'm saying that you need to have those energies. Okay, and those who are from Mumbai, Maharashtra, they might know what is the flavor of Ganesh Visarjan. Okay, yes, well, yes, I'm getting the right answers. That is control plus V. So good. Question number 3 now. Now this is question regarding hyperlinks. Mind you, if you see my marathon of the year 2021, which is already uploaded on YouTube, 7 exact questions, 7 exact, even the wording was same, and you can take my words on that. Okay, so we have done the marathon in 2021. We are planning to do the same in 2023 as well. Now the dates will be announced later on, but please attend the marathon sessions because they are very, very important. Even if attend in marathon, we discuss some like 100 questions officially, but I ask certain questions from the students, so unofficially there are 150 to 200 questions. So even if you solve all of them, even if you do majority of the questions in marathon, then definitely you have the chances to clear the cutoff in computer. Mind you, computer is your non-merit section. You have to invest your time in ARD, ESI and journal awareness. Here, do smart work, attempt maximum questions and solve the answers. Yes, so I can see people are answering it as C. Third C. Which of the following is statement is false? So you have to identify false statement. Hyperlink is an image or a portion of text of a web page that is linked to other. That is correct. That is the main meaning of hyperlink, right? The moment you press a hyperlink, you will be directed to some other web page. By default, this is by default in Word. Hyperlinks are represented in blue text. This is also correct because they are basically represented in blue to just to show to the user that they are hyperlink. By default, hyperlinks are presented in bold. This is incorrect because user has the option to bold or to unbold. Okay, so by default, the word by default is making the statement C as incorrect. So those who have answered this question as C, they are on the right track. Good. By default, word form hyperlink appear with blue and blue underline. So statement B and D are like copy pasted. I would say they follow the same theme only. So you can definitely eliminate option B and D and your answer can be C. Okay, and it is C only. You have to remove can be from here. So good, those who have answered as C. Question number 4. In computer parlance, what is the full form of LCD? Now this is the question which even 10th class student can answer. Okay, what in computer parlance, what is the full form of LCD? Mind you, we are discussing NABARD graded 2022 questions. I can see Saloni is changing her answer. DC. Ujekan is also here. Nilesh is also here. Yathavi, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Rohit is also here. Yes. So what is your answer for question number 4? Okay. Question number 4. In computer parlance, what is the full form of LCD? And mind you, my friend, NABARD grade A is a very good opportunity for all those students who have seen some bad luck in RPI. Okay. So please give your full efforts for NABARD grade A. All your preparation can be used over here. Okay. So all the best to all of you. But right now, please solve question number 4 for me. So Nikhil, Trisha, Maria, all are going with A. Yes, the right answer is liquid crystal display. But tell me what is the full form of LED? What is the full form of LED? Right answer is option A, but I want to know the full form of two things over here. I am deriving the question from these two MCQs only. Tell me what is the full form of LED and what is the full form of OLED. I need answers very fast. Please be fast, my friends. Even if you type just use the same technique which you use on WhatsApp. On WhatsApp, we have multiple, messages typing speed. Yes, light emitting diode. That is the right answer. And for OLED, you just have to follow organic over here. Okay, I hope you agree. Yes, LED stands for what? Light emitting diode, and you have organic light emitting diode for OLED. What is the full form of PDF? This is like these are journal full forms which you have to remember. What is the full form of PDF? What is the full form of PDF? PDF manje kya? PDF means what? Fatafat. What is the full form of PDF? Yes, organic LED, I know. आगे बढ़ो थोड़ा. Please come to the next question, which is PDF. What is the portable document format? Saloni is saying this. Yes, portable document format. It is not display format. Okay, so it is document format. So please remember this. This is also very famous. Like we have www, which is your World Wide Web. So these are certain URL. These are your previous year questions only. Okay, so just remember basic formulas. Like many people also do not know the full form of computer. Can you let me know the full form of computer in the chat box? Till then, I will move to question number 5. Can you let me know the full form of computer? And few days back, I was taking a class on YouTube only. I also came to know that there is a full form of mouse also. Okay, so this is how knowledge sharing works. Can you let me know the full form of computer and mouse? Even if you don't know, do not worry. Just write it somewhere because these are journal full forms which you should remember. चलिए, question number 5. Question number 5. So I can see people are directly answering question number 5. They are not answering the full form of computer on mouse. So do one thing. Right now you can skip my question, but please see the full form somewhere. In MS Excel 2030, what is the combination for going to the last box of current row? Now MS Excel and MS Word, these are your two important things which you have to cover up. each and everything. I'm not saying do not cover each and everything, but short forms and shortcuts related to your MS Word and MS Excel, they are a must do. Yes, so I can see now people are answering the full form of computer, common operating machine, particularly used for technical education and research. Very good. So those who have answered it, very good. You are going on the right track. Can someone also let me know the full form of mouse? Here, mind you, my friend, the answer of question number 5 is option D only, which is Control plus Enter. Once you press Control plus Enter, you will move to the last box of the current row. Okay, so these are journal full forms also, which you have to remember in MS Excel at least. Please remember all these basic four short forms of your MS Excel, because they are very important, and these are very journal as well. For example, if I press Control plus End, then I will move to the last cell of that particular row. If I press Control plus Home, then definitely I will move to the first cell of that particular row. So this you have to remember. There is no, I would say there is no leeway over here. You will have to remember this. Shift plus spacebar means what? To select the entire row, and Control plus spacebar means what? To select the entire column. So these are basic full forms which you have to mug up. If you don't know, there is no issue. Right now is the time. Remember them. Question number 6, my friend. Which of the following signs appear in MS Excel that says results are too long to be fit in the cell? Now this is the previous year question which appeared in 2021 if I'm not wrong, and it appeared in 2022 as well. So this is how you have to definitely solve all the previous year questions. So question number 6 right now on your screen. Question number 6. Now I can see the chat box is full with, I would say full form of mouse. So good everyone. Yes. Question number 6. Which of the following signs appear in MS Excel? And also please keep a tap on your scores as well. Which of the following signs appear in MS Excel which says that results are too long to fit in a cell? Right now I can see the fight is between option A and option B. So those who are going with option A, congratulations, you are completely wrong. The answer is option B. This is a very standard format. If you use MS Excel, definitely if you are entering something which is very big, which cannot be coming in that particular cell, MS Excel will give you a prompt. I would say that this is the symbol, that is hash, that you cannot fit this in your sign. Okay, so answer is option number B. So this is how you will go wrong in your, I would say, in real exam as well. But there is no need to worry. Right now we have the time, so do revision. Question number 7. RAM and ROM. Definitely you will get a question, mark my words. Okay, what is RAM, what is ROM, what are different types of, I would say, different types of RAM that you have to remember. Okay, there is no leeway over here. This is one of the basic, I would say what, foundation of computer, right? How you can read and write, in which particular type of memory you can only read. So those questions will definitely appear, mark my words. Okay, question number 7. Read the following statements regarding RAM and ROM and thereafter select the right code. Now this is, according to me, I would say the toughest question which we are seeing right now till now, question number 7. But if you ask me, toughest question for all those people, those who have not prepared. For me right now it is very basic level only. Right now, what is the answer of question number 7? Can someone let me know? 7A. RAM is a memory which is volatile in nature. This is correct. ROM, that is your ROM, is a memory which is non-volatile in nature. This is also correct. ROM is temporary. This is incorrect. So your answer will be option A, because 1 and 2 are only correct. Tell me in which particular type of memory you can only read. You cannot write over here. Tell me which particular type of memory, in which particular type of memory you can only read. You cannot do any writing over here. Which is that memory? Please let me know. Yes, Jacob is answering it as ROM. Yes, that is what the name of the memory is. That is read only memory. So that is why the answer will be ROM. Okay. Cool. Now let's move to question number 8. Which of the following is the first computer virus? First computer virus is asked, and here I will also want you to answer the full form of virus. What is the full form of virus? Very famous full form which is used in the computer parlance. Yes, the answer of that question was ROM. Okay, question number 8. Which of the following was the first computer virus? Yes, Nilesh is going with B. Although Nilesh has the YouTube account with profile photo of RBI, but he is preparing for NABARD. This shows that how he is balancing the different exams. Good. Question number 8. Which of the following is the first computer virus? Sorry. Trojan horses, creepers, cavity virus, worm. The answer will be option number B, creepers. Mind you, what is the full form of virus? Vital information resource under siege. Very good. Yes, I can see only two people have answered it correctly right now. The answer will be over here, creepers. Okay, and this is my next question for you. First boot sector virus is called as. First boot sector virus. Boot sector virus. Can yes, now I can see Saloni as well as Dharani, if I'm taking your name correct. If I'm not taking your name correct, I apologize. But yes, Ria also is now answering the question as correct. Vital information under series. Now this is like question number 8A for me, which I have derived from this particular MCQ only. Can please someone answer this question? First boot sector virus is called as what? Yes, it is known as brain. Okay, so if the question is regarding this first boot sector virus, then you will have to answer it as brain. But if the question is what was the first computer virus, that will be your creepers. Just to let you know, brain was developed by some professors in Pakistan. Okay, they were like, we have to make a virus for MS DOS. Just for this is just for your basic knowledge, nothing more. Okay. Question number 9. Which of the following is the highest unit of memory among options which are given? Okay. A, B, C, D, E. Petabyte, terabyte, kilobyte, megabyte and gigabyte. So which of the following is the highest unit of memory? Okay. Also do one thing. In this question, type this highest, and among these five, which is the smallest? So do two things over here. Yes. Which of the following is the highest unit of memory? Yes, petabyte is the highest. This I agree. And if I ask you the same question, that which is the smallest unit? Smallest unit में what will be your answer? Under smallest unit, highest petabyte. Yes, smallest कौन सी हो जाएगी? I'm not getting the right answer still now. Yes, smallest will be kilobyte. Okay, so this you have to remember. But if I ask you, when it comes to the computer parlance, which is the highest unit of memory? Do not say me it is petabyte. It is. You only tell me. It starts with Y. I am giving you a hint. If I ask you in the computer parlance, when it comes to the journal computer parlance, which is the highest unit of memory? Highest. It starts somewhere. Yes, yottabyte. Yes, very good. So you have to remember this thing. Okay. So in if I give you the same set of options, then smallest will be kilobyte, but highest will be petabyte. So question was asking regarding highest. But in journal computer parlance, you have to remember this particular chart. Again, this chart is as good as 1 mark. Okay. You can definitely expect questions in your NABARD grade A examination. If I'm not wrong, in certain previous year question they have asked 1 gigabyte is equals to what, and they will give you different options: 1024 megabyte, 1024 kilobyte, 1024 gigabyte. So this particular chart is again a must do for all of you. Okay, so those who have answered the question as A, those who are going on the right track. Question number 10, again a question from, you can say, short forms. Oh, shortcut, sorry, not from short forms, it is a shortcut. Again they are asking you the shortcut key for inserting hyperlink. Shortcut key for inserting hyperlink. It is very easy, my friends. Okay, control plus B. Control plus B is for bold. Control plus C is for copy. Control plus A is for selecting all. Yes, tell me what is control plus Z and control plus Y also. Okay, control plus Y. Now you have to give me three answers over here. एक तो चलो, I will disclose that the shortcut key for inserting hyperlink is control plus K. I hope you agree with me. But right now tell me what is control plus Z and what is control plus Y. Okay, I'm opening the floor. Yes, control plus K. I take that answer. That is for hyperlinks. Hyperlinks, remember, but we have solved one more question over here. Okay, but right now tell me control plus Z and control plus Y. Control plus Z and control plus Y. Zoom. This I am listening to very first time. Yes. Yes. Control plus Z is for undo. Control plus Y is for redo. Very good. I am not sure regarding what is for zoom. Okay, so that I will not comment on. But definitely, if there is a shortcut for zoom, that is for zooming any text or something like that, can someone let me know if it is there in the if it is there in your knowledge box? I would say okay. But right now I'm moving ahead. The answer of this particular question was 10 only. Question number 11. Now, again, a shortcut key was asked. So, if you can see in NABARD graded 2022 itself, 4 questions, if I'm not wrong, were there from your shortcut keys only. So if you are very smart, if you can draw any analysis, then definitely you have to cover short forms and shortcuts. Definitely. Chalo, which of the following is the shortcut key from warm boot? Now I hope you remember that what is warm boot. There are two types of booting, warm boot and cold boot. Under warm boot, you are kind of restarting your computer. You are not giving your time to the computer to sleep. You are putting your computer from on to on stage. Okay, this I have explained in my marathon classes as well. But what is your cold boot? Cold boot means what? That you are letting your computer to go into a stage of sleep, and after some time you will start your computer. So under warm boot it's like hot process. Under cold boot it's like a cold process. Simple. Question number 11. Now I am asking you the answers for question number 11. Now I can see again people are answering it as E. Some is also saying A. But yes, the answer of this question is E, that is Control Alt plus Delete. Now I was not expecting the right answer over here. It seems like you have already solved previous year questions, but no issues, you are revising it. It's a very good thing. Question number 12. Which of the following option helps the user of the computer to transfer data packets over the networks? Okay, which of the following options helps the user of the computer to transfer data packets over the network, or you can also say over a net, that is your internet kind of thing. Now tell me what is the answer for question number 12. Memory, please remember, under memory you have to do that chart which we have just now discussed. Okay, what is the difference between hub and switch, why they are used in your, I would say, what network, that also you should do. Okay, hub and switch is used for communication. Please remember this. Now I cannot cover each and everything in my 1.5 hour session, but I'm telling you that these are certain important things. Frigates, again, if I'm not wrong, you can leave frigates parts. It's not that important. Here the answer will be option A, protocols. Protocols are very, very important. To name some protocols, we have your simple mail transfer protocol. This you use for sending of mails. We have your internet protocol as well. We have your file transfer protocol, via which you do what? Sharing of files. Can someone let me know what is the function of telnet as a protocol? What is the function of telnet? Can you please let me know your answers in chat box? Type very fast. We do not have full day. Okay. Can someone let me know what is the function of telnet? What is the function of telnet? In a very fast manner. FTP we have discussed, right? Yes, remote login. Very good, Har Kamal Singh. Remote login means what? That someone, if you are not able to access your system, you can use Telnet to access it. Yes, remotely login. Question number 13 now. Dash are the text files with small pieces of data like usernames and password that are used to identify your computer as a computer network. That are used to identify your computer as you use a computer network. Is it cache or cache? Some people also call it as cache or cache, hub, bus and rookies. Also please remember what is the function of bus over here. What is the function of hub? I hope you remember them. Cache, cookies. What is your answer over here? This is a confusing question. Remember what is bus for in your motherboard. If you remember, in your motherboard there are different components. So any communication which happens between your different motherboards components, that happens via bus. Hub, I have told you that it is used for your communication over network. Cache is a kind of a memory itself. Here what will be your answer? Yes, the answer will be cookies. You might have seen different web pages. They ask you whether I can save your different data or not. So that is what your cookies only. Very easy to remember. Hub is not the answer. Okay, Nikhil. Hub is used for communication over networks. Okay, if computer A wants to talk to computer B, that can happen via hub. There is one more alternative to hub if you remember switch. Okay. Question number 14 now. The cache memory is one of the fastest memory. This I agree. Cache memory is one of the fastest, but it is also one of the smallest memory which holds very small data, or you can say very small amount of information. Cache memory is stored in which of the following types of RAM? Again, you can see RAM question is asked. I hope you remember RAM is volatile. Question number 14. Dynamic RAM, static RAM, erasable RAM, or it is synchronous dynamic RAM? 14th maximum of you are going with B. Yes, cache memory is stored in your computer for fast computer calculations or for fast computer procedures as well. Therefore, the answer will be static RAM. It is there in your computer for a period of time. Good. Question number 15 now. Again, you can see a shortcut is asked. In MS Excel, if you want to select entire column in one go, in MS Excel, if you want to set entire column, this we have already discussed, right? Entire column and entire row, those are very important thing. Question number 47. Now this we have already discussed, so I'm directly moving ahead because this will definitely waste your time if we discuss more on it. Okay, the answer was control plus space bar. Please remember the basic shortcuts which I have told you for MS Excel at least, and if possible do basic shortcuts for your PowerPoint as well, like what is the function of F5 in PowerPoint, what is the function of Shift plus F5 in PowerPoint, what is the function of Control plus D in PowerPoint. These are some very important questions. Okay, Control plus D is used for duplicate. Shift plus F5 is used to start your slide show from the current slide, and if you press just F5, then it will start from the basic, or I would say the first slide. Okay. Question number 16. Chalo, question number 16. A very easy question. Even a 4th class student can answer it. Dash is an intangible part of computer which helps the run to computer smoothly. Intangible means what? That you cannot touch it. You can just feel it, or even you cannot see. You can just see it, but you cannot do a touch. You cannot physically feel it. Question number 16. Yes, the answer will be software. And if I ask you what will be the opposite of this particular question, what is the tangible part, then your answer will be hardware. For example, the mouse which I have in my hand, it is an example of hardware. Why? Because I can touch the mouse. Okay, so please remember, they can definitely make one question like this: identify the odd one out from the following. They will give you 5 options, out of which one is hardware and other 4 are software. So they can definitely test you on the same theme. Okay, question number 17. Now this is certain fact based question which you have to remember. Which of the following is the first text web browser? So here you have to remember text word browser is asked. Can someone let me know the answer of this question? Question number 17. Which of the following is the first text web browser? Nilesh is going with B, Safari. Safari is not the right answer because Safari was used in, if I'm not wrong, in iOS. The world exists before iOS. Okay. Now Pallavi is going with D, Linux. Dharani is going with B. Vino, nice name. You are going with D. Anuja is still going with Safari. The answer over here will be option D. That is your Linux. If I'm not wrong, yes, the answer will be D. Which was the first text web browser? It was Linux. Okay, so please, these are certain, I would say, fact-based question. If you know it, you will definitely answer it. But if you don't know it, then definitely you can do some, what I call it as something like taking calculated risk. Safari was not the right option because I just know because the world also exists before iOS. Those who are Apple users, they will be able to understand it. Question number 18 now. Question number 18. The time taken by computer to process the given instruction is called as what? Time taken to process, time taken by computer to process the given set of instruction. And also please let me know whether my speed is okay or not. Should I move fast or should I move slow? Or should I do anything extra which is needed from your end? Question number 18. Time taken by computer to process the given set of instruction is called as what? It is known as, here I can see again a fight is between option A and option D. The right answer will be option A over here. Execution time. Again a very basic question. Execution time is the right answer. Process time, batch time, and command time, they are just given to confuse you over here. So please be specific to the word which they are asking. Okay. Question number 19. Yes, fine. So cool. Again, a question which is based on your shortcut. While using MS Excel, control plus semicolon. Now this is semicolon over here. Okay. If you are unable to remember it, control plus semicolon will help the computer to do what? Yes, the right answer was execution only. But if I ask you what is the right answer for question number 19, and also my friend, if the session stops in between, because I'm not taking this session from our studios, if anything happens, try to rejoin. It is better option than to leaving the session. Okay, there is no dearth of internet in my home, but still I am giving you a warning if anything happens. Question number 19. While using MS Excel, control plus semicolon will help you to enter. Yes, the right answer will be option B. Remember, if you are pressing control plus semicolon, then you will be answering. It will help you to enter the current date. But if I press control shift plus semicolon, that will answer me current time. Okay, if I'm not wrong, I have this particular shortcut also for you so that you can remember it, because these are again very famous shortcuts which you have to remember. Control shift plus semicolon will give you time, but the question was very specific. Control plus semicolon will give you date. Therefore, the right answer was option B. Good. Question number 20. The last question of our NABARD Grade A 2022 exam. Okay, we still have 40 questions to go. Okay. Do not leave the class in midway. Question number 20. Even if you leave, there is no harm. You can go and study, but do not do any time waste. Question number 20. Which of the following shortcut will help the user to open the dialog box in MS Word? In MS Word, mind you, here MS Word is mentioned. Okay, and also please let me know how many function keys are there on keyboard. How many function keys? I am asking regarding function keys. Function keys. Sorry for my bad handwriting, but this is how it goes. How many function keys are there on keyboard? If I give you options 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, how many function keys are there in keyboard? Here the right answer, yes, is option press F1 is the right answer. Good. Yes, there are 12 function keys, and try to remember major function keys like what you have to use for refresh, so on and so forth. Okay, so here also I have given you one I would say snippet which you can use for revision purpose. Okay, now my friends, now my friends, now is the time to tell me your scores. Be loyal, even if you have got like somewhere wrong, there is no issue. Tell me what was your score out of 20. Okay, the overall paper level was easy only. I will not say it was moderate, because some questions were confusing, but that is acceptable, right? What is your score when it comes to NABARD Grade 2022? Hemraj is saying it's F5. Okay, Jakan is going with 14. Good, 14 is a good score. 14 is a good. Anything above 10 is good. Below 10, definitely, sorry to say, you are going on a wrong track. Yes, so 15, score 16, that is good. Please let me know your score, so I can say that maximum of you have passed this test. Okay, now all you need to do is just perform good in your ARD, ESI and GA, and you will easily clear your, I would say, what, NABARD Grade A phase 1. Okay, yes. Lakshmi is saying 13. Try to improve over here. Thoda sa. 13 is also a good score, but it can definitely be 15 plus also if you attend the classes, or I would say if you attend the material very carefully. Now let's move to 2021. Now I am asking the questions which appeared in 2021. The very first question is regarding full form of URL. What is the full form of URL? I can see only 6 people have answered it. Like only 6, not 7 people have answered their scores. What happens to other people who are sitting in the class? 42 people are there. What happened to their, I would say, scores? That I don't know. You have to show your scores, because that only will motivate you. But no issues. If you are not comfortable, there is no issue. I am not forcing you. This is a free country. We all have right to live. Cool. Question number 21. What is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Now this is also a cakewalk question. If such questions comes in your exam, take less than 10 seconds to answer this. No one can put such easy questions, but if they appear, then definitely it's like a very good thing for you. Okay. The answer was option A. Moving ahead to question number 22. Now, this is a moderate level question, or I can say tough also for some people who are like new to computers. How many holes are there under VGA connector? Now, what is VGA connector? It is a kind of a cable, you can say, which allows your computer screen to appear on some other device. Basically, you can connect VGA connector and you can duplicate your computer screen on some different kinds of other platform. You might have heard about HDMI cable. HDMI cable. HDMI. High definition multimedia interface, if I'm not wrong. Okay. So this is again used in your VGA connectors only. Okay, yes, the answer will be 15. Why 15? Because in VGA connector there are 3 rows. Also, there can be a question in this year. How many rows are there under VGA connector? Option 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your answer will be 3. Under each and every row there are 5 different types of holes, or not different types of hole, I would say there are 5 holes which are there. So among all these 3 rows there are 15 kinds of holes which are present. So please remember this fact also. So answer was option C. Question number 23. Now again, question number 23. Question number 23. Dash is found just above File tab. Option is MS Word. Its purpose is to provide convenient access to the most commonly used commands. Is it title? Is it indexes? Is it fast highlighting? Please eliminate option number C. This is nothing they have just given to confuse you. Okay. Is it option D or is it option E? Option E will not also be the right answer because I can directly see the answer is over here. 23. I can say Pallavi only, or I would say Rohit. They have given the right answer. It will be option number D. That is quick access. If you see your, I would say what, MS Word, it is your quick access toolbar. Question clearly says commonly used commands. Commonly used commands are what? That if you have to save your file, then definitely you will have to go in the file section, then come to save, then tell the location where you want to save it, then tell the name of that particular file. Okay, but here if you go on the quick access bar, if you press this particular icon, then definitely you can directly save your file. Here the options of redo and undo are also present. So the answer was quick access toolbars, not the title bar. Under title bar you will have the name of the file. That will make the justification of the question for title bar. But here the question was clearly mentioned commonly used commands. Therefore the answer will be quick access bar. Okay. Question number 24. Which of the following operation is simply deleting the files except deleting the attributes? Now first, when I attempted this question, even I went wrong. Okay, so I asked some of my friends that why the answer of this particular question was option. What is your option? I will let you know that why the answer of that particular option. Yes, Nilesh is going with B. Yes, the answer will be tourniquet. Okay, now see, when I first attempted this question, I also marked my answer as close. Maximum of you will say it is close, but the answer was tourniquet. Under this particular thing, mind you, the key thing is simply deleting the files except deleting the attributes. Under close, you altogether close the file. There is nothing more specification which I can give to you. If you press that red cross, the file will automatically get closed if it is saved in your computer. But under tourniquet, definitely if you are deleting the file, even if you are saving some of the attributes means some of the properties, then definitely it is tourniquet. Okay. Append means or seek means to find. Append means to add something. So therefore the correct answer was option B over here. So those who have given the answer as B, good. Question number 25. Again, this is exact previous year question which appeared in 2022 itself. Okay, so please solve all the previous year questions. Mind you, you can definitely get some questions which are exactly the same. Okay, so here the answer will be control plus end. We have already solved it. I am not wasting much of my time again over here. Okay, question number 26. What is the name of the device that act as the central point among the computers and other devices that are a part of computer network? Now this is a good question. I will wait for this answers of this question. Question number 26. What is the name of the device that act as a central point among computers and other devices that are a part of a computer network. So it is a central point over here. Now, what will be your answer over here? Distributor, again, it doesn't make any sense. And also, please let me know the full form of USB. Yes, I can see maximum of you are going with router. Yes. What is the full form of USB? Can you please expand USB for me? What will be the full form of USB? Because we have to discuss different concepts. So what will be the full form of USB? Yes, the answer over here will be router. This I agree on with you. Yes, universal serial bus. That is the correct answer. So good, Jacob. Thank you. The answer over here was option B. That is router. Question number 27 now. Question number 27. Starting a computer or a computer embedded devices. Starting a computer or a computer embedded devices is called as what? Sorry. Yes, maximum of you are going with universal serial bus. That is good. Good. Question number 27. Starting a computer embedded device is called as what? Very easy question. Even my 6th class nephew can answer it. Yes, the answer will be option D, booting. Booting means what? That you are starting your computer, or you can say you are again restarting your computer as well. Now, please let me know. There is one term which, if I am not wrong, is known as post. P-O-S-T. P-O-S-T is used in computer parlance also. Can someone let me know the full form of P-O-S-T? P-O-S-T. This term is also somewhere related to starting of computer only. So what is the full form of POST? Now I can definitely show you the answer and I can move ahead. But I want to make this session thoda sa interactive so that you can learn certain new things. Now yes, I cannot cover everything. Mind you, this is just a class. Okay. Now if you want to cover everything, definitely you will have to come. You will have to come in our course only then. But no issues. We are covering the PYQs. These are the basic of your direction. I would say these will give direction to your preparation. Question number 27. Yes, power on self test. So please remember, this is also one of the basic thing which you have to remember, right? Spoofing. Spoofing is somewhere used for your, I would say, it is a kind of a, I would say, practice wherein you will try to prevent any online fraud. Okay, spoofing. This is again used for your messages if I'm not wrong. Okay. Question number 28. Question number 28. What is the language? Now this is also a very important question. What is the language used in second generation computer? Now, how many generations of computer are there? I hope you know it. What will be the answer of question number 28? What will be the answer of question number 28? And also please let me know how many generations of computer are generally given in the computer parlance. Okay, how many generations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 generations. That is really very good. And what was the technology which was used? That you have to remember in generation 1, generation 2, generation 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Yes, the answer over here will be assembly language. Okay. So second generation was using your assembly language. Cool. And also these are your, I would say, 4 different generations, but mind you, there are 5 generations in total, but the language right now in the snippet is only given for 4 generations, so do not get confused. Okay, total in there are 5 generations, so please do remember it. First generation, second generation, third generation. The question was regarding second generation. The answer will be assembly language. Okay, so please remember it. It is again very important to remember. Cool. Question number 29. Yes, Harshal is saying 5th generation is using the AI. That is also very good. That is your machine learning, artificial intelligence. Okay, 3rd generation was using what? Question number 29. In MS Word, headers and footer options appear in which tab? 3rd generation, 4th generation and 5th generation are very, very important. Okay. Vacuum tubes were used in your 1st generation if I'm not wrong. Then you have your transmitters. Then you have your ICs in the 3rd generations, that is your integrated circuits. Then you have your very large circuits, integrated circuits in your fourth generation. In the fifth generation, we have your ultra large circuits. So that is how you have to remember. In MS Word, head and footer options appear in your insert. That is also very easy to remember. Option D is the right answer. Question number 30. Now this is a confusing question, so please pay your attention. Okay. Which register holds address of instructions in basic computer? Okay. Now even I am unsure of this. The language of the question was somewhere like this only. But again, just to give you a hold of previous year question, which register holds address of instructions? This is a confusing question. Address register is the first answer I am getting. Jason is going with accumulator. No, accumulator is not the right answer because accumulator is somewhere related to your, I would say, logical operations, as well as it is related to doing your mathematics works. Accumulator is not the right answer. Program counter, instruction register, and address registers. These are your three very confusing options. I agree to it. The answer will be option B. That is your program counter. Okay. Now see, even when I also attempted this question, I also went wrong over here. But the program counter over here is the correct answer. Why? Because address of instructions is given in program counter only. In instruction register, you just mention what is the instruction. You do not give the address of instruction. So if you see the keyword over here, therefore the right answer will be option B only. Address register, again, it doesn't specifically mention which type of address it maintains. Therefore the right answer will be option B only. Cool. Question number 31. Harkamal is saying accumulator is to store results. Thank you. But right now I want you to answer question number 31. In OS process system, in OS process management, the difference between arrival time and the time by which processor gets the CPU is called as what? A very easy question if you have just understand the basics of computer itself. And mind you, my friend, here we all are discussing basics only. You do not have to become master in the subject of computer. Question number 31. In OS process management, the difference between arrival time and the time in which process gets CPU is called as what? It is called as your, yes, it is called as your response time. Good. Those who have given the answer as B, they are going on right track. So good. Question number 32, again related to your, I would say, MS Excel. Now this is very basic function, right? Now I hope you remember every formula in MS Excel starts with equals to. What are the basic shortcuts that we have already discussed? This question is again pointing out towards the basic of MS Excel. Which of the following calculates the number of days between two dates? So if you give one formula to MS Excel and if you give any two dates, 14th April 2020 and 14th April 2021, and if you give the formula, then definitely your answer will be, what is the answer for question number 32? Can someone let me know? What will be the answer of question number 32? Yes, meditation is going on the, it is dates or is it days? Span is not the right answer. Gap is also not the right answer. The right answer over here will be days, not dates. Okay, so please get it confused. Please get it over here. The right answer over here is days because the question clearly says the number of days. You do not have to enter dates. Okay, please remember this. Question number 33. If I revise only PYQs for computer, is it sufficient for NABARD? No, the answer is no, because see, you will get 20 questions, right? You will get 20 questions. I can expect that even if you are having a good day or even if your kismat is with you, you will get 2 to 3 exact previous year questions. Okay, and this much amount of marks is not enough to clear computer. Now what I will suggest you is do PYQs. Okay, do PYQs and solve the marathons which are there on computer. Okay, you can solve the marathons which are uploaded on our channel, which are uploaded on our different other platforms, like other people are also uploading marathons. That also you can do. So that will suffice the preparation. Okay. Question number 33. Insert, create and write, preview results, finish commands are found in which tab of MS Word? Now this is also MS Word. So if you can see, maximum of the questions are appearing from MS Word and MS Excel, but you have to give certain preference to your PowerPoint as well. But first give preference to MS Word, then cover MS Excel, and then go to your, I would say, PPT. Yes, the right answer over here will be mailing tab. That is again a very good, okay, that is again a very good learning for you. If you see mailing tab, you will have one of the famous thing, mail merge. So mail merge is also present in which tab? It is present in your what? It is present in your mailing tab only. Okay, so please remember, this is really very important. Question number 34. Now this is very basic question. Which file starts MS Word? Now you have to tell me from the given set of option, which file will start your MS Word. Home tab is not the right answer, Preeti. Okay, the right answer of that was mail merge. Okay, question number 34. Which file starts MS Words? Doc.exe, that is not the right answer, Nilesh. Docs.exe is not the right answer. Here exe means the executable file. Okay, so they can ask you the full form of exe as well. Okay, the right answer MS Word. MS Excel कब से start होगा? WinWord. I don't know why you are guys going on different track. Okay, docs exe is not the right answer. Please remember, this is easy question, but I don't know why you are going on different track. The answer will be WinWord. For example, if the session ends, press this thing, your Windows button plus R. A small box will open in the left end of your window. Write winword.exe. The moment you press enter, your word MS Word will open. So the right answer over here was option number A. This is how examiner can again test you. Okay, so do not go wrong over here. Doc is the file extension. File extensions means what? That once you save your file will appear that xyz.docs. Okay, so that is different. That is file extension. Question number 35. Now this is the toughest question, I would say, of the session. Now if in the exam you do not know the answer of this question, there is no issue. You can leave this question and move to next. If you are able to solve 10 plus question with 100% accuracy, you are good to go. No one can stop you to clear the cutoff. Okay, but if in the exam you are not able to solve certain questions which are out of your league, there is no issue. All you need to score is 10 plus, because the computer cutoff are largely 5 to 6 only. Question number 35. In MS Excel 2013, the dash method is to make macros run automatically. So macros are some commands which you give to the computer to run automatically. Once you have done the setup, the answer over here will be on time. Okay. Now this is the toughest question. If you have not got it correct, there is no need to worry. Cool. Question number 36. Question says rows of relations are called as. Now if you remember, if I make different tables, okay, if I make different tables, cool. So if I call this as row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, okay, these rows are called as what? And also here I would like to know the full form of DBMS. DBMS. थोड़ा जल्दी करो, because right now we still have to solve 20 questions and it's 7 already. Question number 36. Rows of relations are called as what? They are known as tuples. Now tell me what is the full form of DBMS. After that tell me columns को क्या बोलते हैं. Okay, because in every table there are rows and columns. Okay, table is all about relation between rows and columns. Yes, database management system is the right answer. Database management system. Also please let me know columns को क्या बोलते हैं. Rows को तो we call as tuples. I agree. Yes, database management system, good. But what is the term which we call it as columns? एक यहाँ पे terms एक और use होती है इसके अंदर, cardinals. Cardinals is nothing, it is just number of rows. So for example, in this table, how many rows are there? 4. So I will say cardinal is 4 of this particular table. Yes, very good, Anuja. And meditation. Fields भी बोलते हैं, attributes भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so both things can be called. Cool. Question number 37. Which of the following contains the code by execution of its CPU access the very first proposition of hard disk when we turn the computer? Again, very easy question, BIOS. Okay, BIOS is the right answer of this question. We have already done. Yes, those who are saying attributes, those who are saying field, you both are correct. Okay, cool. Here, mind you, my friend, very easy, BIOS. Can someone let me know the full form of BIOS? What is the full form of BIOS? Give me your answer in the chat box. Till then, I will move to question number 38. चलिए, what is the storage capacity of dual layered Blu-ray 6 ray disk? Okay. Yes, the answer was BIOS. Good. Please let me know what is the full form if you know. And now I'm moving to question number 38 as well. Right now I'm on question number 38. Basic IO. Good. That's the way you use shortcuts. Yes, get basic input output system. Good. Question number 38. What is the storage capacity? Now this is again a fact based question. Okay. Meditation is going with 60. No, the answer over here is 50 GB. Okay, 50 GB is the correct answer. That is option number C. Okay. And also, what is the full form of DVD? There is one thing which is DVD. What is the full form of DVD? What is the full form of DVD? Sorry. What is the full form of DVD? Yes, digital versatile disk. I hope you agree with me. I have not got the answer till now in the chat box, but still I am revealing the answer. Digital versatile disk. How many of you agree with Jacob? The answer will be option C of question number 38. Question number 39 now. According to me, it's digital versatile disk only, but Pallavi and Nikhil are saying digital video disk. So please check this. According to me as well, it's digital versatile disk only. There is also CD, compact disk. Okay, CD को क्या बोलते हैं? Compact disk. So these are basic full forms, right? Question number 39. What is the length of IPv4? IP here stands for what? Internet Protocol. Version 4. What is the length of it? It is 32. But what is the length code of IPv version 6? What is the length of IPv version 6? Yes, Rohit is stepping ahead. It is 128-bit. Okay, and collection of 4-bit. Collection of 4-bit is called as what? Vinod. What is Vinod? Collection of 4-bit is called as what? 32 bits is the size for IPv4. This I agree. IPv6 is 128 bits. Okay. But if I ask you what is the collection of 4 bits, अगर मैं 4 bits को combine कर दूं, then what is the collection of it? I need answers today only. We are not waiting much. It is known as nibble. And collection of 8 bits is known as what? Nibble तो चलो यहाँ हो गया. Collection of 8 bits को क्या बोलेंगे? Collection of 8 bits. Please be fast. Good. Aditya is going with nibble. Collection of 8 bits. अभी तक only Jacob has answered. It is byte. Okay. So please remember these are basic things. चलिए, moving ahead now. Question number 40, the last question of NABARD Grade A 2021. Yes, byte is the correct answer. Cool. Question number 40. Question number 40. What are the options available in the share ribbon? Share ribbons means what? That you are getting that share folder kind of thing in the file explorer of Windows 10. Now this is also a moderate level question. Even if you don't know the answer, there is no issue. Because see, in NABARD Grade 2021, according to me, 3 questions were comparatively tougher as compared to 2022. In 2022, I hope you agree with me that no question was above the, you can say above the head kind of thing. But in NABARD Grade 2021, definitely the level was I would say tougher as compared to 2022. Now, God only knows what will happen in 2023. Okay. Yes, the right answer over here will be option A. You can sort and arrange contents of the folder. Now, do one thing when you have the time. Do look at that. What is the how share ribbon looks like. That will give you the maximum understanding. One nibble is 4 bytes. 4 bits. Sorry, not byte. Okay. So now tell me what is your score of 2021 question. Just to revise, एक bit यानी होता है एक single digit, or you can say 1 or 0 also. 4 bits का combination is your nibble. 8 bits का combination is your byte. Just to revise. Okay. Now what is your score? If you are scoring here 9 plus, but I would say 10 plus can be a good score. I will they ask about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, they can ask you that which generation ChatGPT is all about. So you will have to say it is of 5th generation. Okay. Now they will not ask much of ChatGPT, but they can definitely ask you that which of the following is a chat box and not a web browser. So they can give you different web browsers, like your again different web browsers if you are using Chrome or something like that, right? One among them can be ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is not a web browser according to me. It is a chat box kind of thing. So how many of you are scoring at least above 9 plus or 10 plus something? So consider yourself as pass if you are scoring 10 plus or 9 plus. That is a good score. Okay. Yes, 5th generation. Now last 20 questions. I need your full energy. Now we are solving questions of your question appeared in 2022. Sorry, 2020, not 2022, 2020. NABARD graded 2020. It's a tongue twister for me. Okay, so it's 2020. Chalo. Question number 41. Which of the following directs the component of the computer to perform tasks that are specified in the instructions? Question number 41. Be thoda sa fast. We hardly have some more time to left, but still we will discuss. And also let me know what is the heart of computer. Computer के दिल को क्या कहते हैं? What is the heart of computer? The answer will be control unit. Please let me know what is the answer of question number 41, and also please let me know the heart of computer is also known as. Please do not say it as motherboard. Those who will say motherboard, I will definitely tell them the right answer, although I do not have anything other to prove. Yes, it is CPU. CPU is what your center processing unit. Okay. Heart is CPU. Good. CPU has 2 units or 2 components, control unit and ALU. ALU is your arithmetical logical unit and CU is the manager kind of thing. Okay, so CU is your control unit. The answer will be option D. Question number 42. Question number 42 now. What is the responsibility for logical unit? Now logical unit is as good as your, I would say what, ALU only. Arithmetic logical unit. What is the responsibility of logical unit of the computer? Now this is a tough question only because the options are tough. But if you see the option number or first you try it, then I will let you know the answer. To compare numbers, ALU compares numbers, or to do math work. The right answer will be option number D, because doing math works will encompass option number B. Okay, so if you see option number D is the superset. And what is math work? Math work will come under this only. Okay, so basically you can say option B is the subset of option number D. So choose that option which is wide open in certain types of question. Okay, to do math work. Yes, the right answer over here will be option number D. Good. 43. Question number 43 now. If you want to increase the speed of the lecture, please let me know. If you want to decrease the speed of the lecture, please let me know. I will move as per the audience. But right now we have question number 43. Cold boot is done when? Cold boot is done when? When you will do cold boot? Cold boot is a state wherein you allow the computer to sleep and then you start the computer again. Question number 43. Yes, the right answer is given by, let me see the chat box. It is option number First, allow me to read the question. Cold boot is then when it is pressing the power button. The right answer will be option number D. Why? Because once you press the power button, your computer will go in the state of sleep. Go in the state of sleep. And once you come again, you can restart your computer. Okay? The answer was option number D. Question number 44. What is the example of PAN? Here, PAN stands for Personal Area Network. Personal Area Network. Personal Area Network. Okay? Question number 44. What is the example of PAN? What is the example of PAN? Is it routers? Is it switches? Is it firewall? Or is it Bluetooth? The right answer over here will be option number A. So till now in the year 2020, I didn't got any question which can give you a trouble. All the questions are basic only. Okay, question number 45. A virus that fools the user into downloading or executing them. Them here means the virus, pretending them to be a useful application. What will be the answer for question number 45? Along with PAN. Chalo, PAN ka the full form I have told you. But tell me the full form of WAN. That is your WAN. What is the full form of WAN? 45D, Trojan House. Yes, got good answer. The answer is Trojan House. If you have seen this particular movie as well, if I'm not able to recollect the name, Troy. Yes, there is a movie known as Troy. Good movie. If you have time, if you want to just get yourself recharged, you can watch it. Therein, they have explained you what Trojan House is it in a very practical manner. Yes, wide area network is the correct answer. PAN area network. There is also one other network which is known as what? LAN. That is your local area network. And then we have your MA metropolitan area network as well. That is your MAN. So all these are very, very important. They can definitely ask you the questions based on the short forms or shortcuts, whatever the case is. Question number 46. What is the logical address assigned to a personal computer? PC means personal computer, printer, router, etc. on a network. Question number 46. What is the logical address assigned to PC, printer, router on a network? The answer will be IP address. Very easy. Do not go with CP or logical. You have to be specific at least in the field of computer. The answer will be IP. IP, what is the full form of IP? What is the full form of IP? We have discussed IP version 4, IP version 6 as well. What is the full form of IP? Yes, Internet Protocol. Simple. Cool. Question number 46. What is DPI in printing? DPI full form is asked. DPI stands for what? Yes, Internet Protocol is the right answer. Currently, we are discussing 2020 questions. This time I got it correct. Cool. 47. 47D, dots per inches or is it dots performance inches? Yes, the right answer will be dots per inches. Why? Because it's a very famous full form in the world of printing. Okay, yes, dots per inches is the correct answer. Higher dots per inches, higher will be the quality of printing. Now, can you let me know, is printer an input device or an output device? Is printer an input, or you can say printer is an input or output? Is printer an input or an output device? Harshal and Pallavi are going with output. Good. What are others saying? Jakan is also going with output. Good, good. Cool. Also, there is one, chalo, I will ask that in the next question. Question number 48. Which of the following is an example of hardware? Again, see, previous year questions को देख के ये लगता है that they are very, very easy. But in the exam, once we go and solve these easy questions, they become tough. Why? Because we are under the state of pressure. So once you remove pressure, all the previous year questions will become easy for you. Question number 48. Which of the following is an example of hardware? Again, all of them according to me are example of hardware. I can touch mouse, I can touch keyboard, I can touch the monitor, I can touch the printer. When it comes to monitor, please tell me how you will measure the size of monitor, or how will you measure the screen size of monitor. Can you please let me know? Meditation is getting thoda sa, I would say, impulsive. If you have to measure the, yes, it is diagonally. When we say it is 16-inch monitor, it is 17-inch monitor, so on and so forth. So we are measuring to the diagonal space. Okay. And refresh rate of monitor is measured in which particular units? Refresh rate of a monitor is measured in which particular unit? Refresh rate of a monitor is measured in which units? Refresh rate is measured in which units? Yes, hertz is the right answer. That is your HZ also. Hertz is the right answer. Good. Cool. Question number 49. Unwanted mails received in a user account is called as what? Yes, hertz is the right answer. Good. Unwanted mails received in a user account is called as what? Unwanted mails received in a user account are called as what? Yes, they are known as spam. Very good. Okay, they are very easy to remember. Okay, virus ka full form we have done. So there is nothing more to discuss over here. Okay, the answer was option number B. 50. Again, you can see RAM and ROM pe they have asked you a question. So please do what are different types of RAM, static RAM, different dynamic RAM, synchronous RAM. Also do what is different types of ROM, that is your EROM, PROM, EEPROM, so on and so forth. Okay, so they are important. Question number 50. RAM is volatile in nature and ROM is non-volatile in nature. Is this statement false or true? Or you have any other option, that is option A and D as well? What will be the correct answer for question number 50? And I hope you are enjoying the class. We have solved as many previous year questions as possible, and this will give you good confidence that you are going on the right track. Question number 50. Yes, the right answer will be option number C, because this statement which is given in the question is correct. Now you can see in 2020 they have asked one question of RAM and ROM. In 2022 also they have asked one question in RAM and ROM. All the difference was that this question is based on true and false. In 2022 they have asked you in statement form. So the question will definitely, I would say, what they can change the style of the question, but definitely the theme of the question will remain the same. Question number 51. Which of the following is not an input device? Now please be careful while solving this question. Which of the following is not an input device? यहाँ पे not लिखा हुआ है, so please pay attention to it. Cool. Question number 51. 51A, speaker, mouse, keyboard, microphone or sound card. Yes, the right answer will be speaker. From speaker we get the audio waves of the computer. So from speaker we do not give any input, rather we receive what? Output. Cool. By mouse we definitely give the input. By keyboard also we give the input. By microphone, that is what I'm wearing right now, is a microphone only. Okay, by sound also we give your input only. Cool. Question number 52. Which of the following is the secondary storage device? Now mind you, we have solved the questions of 2020. Now I was not getting the exact previous year questions of 2020, but again, till now we have solved 11 questions, because this series started from, I would say, question number 40 if I'm not wrong, 41 or 40 somewhere. So we have solved 11 questions. If you are scoring 11 on 11, then it is very good. But if you are scoring somewhere below 11, then it is a cause of worry. Cool, no issue if you are going on the right track. But if you are going on the right track, wrong track rather, you can definitely improve. Now we are solving some questions which appeared in 2019. Okay, which of the following is a secondary? Secondary means what? That you are adding something to the computer. It is something which you are adding from the outside. So hardly 8 more questions to go. I need full energy from your end. As promised, we will finish the class by 7:30. Okay, because I do not want you to waste too much time in the previous year questions. Just solve them so that you can gain the knowledge. Mind you, on 30th September, That is one day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, we will solve previous year questions of decision making as well. So I request you to come in that session as well. That will start from 6 p.m. onwards. Okay. So in decision making, we hardly have 40 questions and we will solve 40 questions in 1 hour only. Cool. Yes, the right answer over here is hard disk. That is good because flash memory, cache memory, RAM and ROM, they are an example of your inbuilt memory only. Cool. Question number 53. IP. IP stands for what? Internet Protocol. So this we have already solved somewhere before in the class. That is your answer will be option number C. I hope you agree with me. Cool. So I'm not wasting your time in question number 53. Question number 54. Which of the following is the shortcut key to find text in MS Word? Now I'm waiting for the answer of question number 54. So let's see who answers question number 54 correctly. Yes, so Sunny, Nilesh, Ronit, Riya, Jayalakshmi, Jishnu, if I'm taking your name correct. Jishnu, Anuja, all are going with C. Yes, good. Question number 54 now. Ronit is going with option number B, control plus find, or is it alt find? All of you are going with option number B. Harshal is going with alt plus F. I will give you one more option. Chalo, if I say the answer is not option number B, if I say the answer was not option number B, try to make some other guess also. Chalo, I'm giving you one more lifeline. Saloni is now going with C. I'm giving you one more lifeline. Sumit is again saying B. I'm saying you that answer is not option number B. Pallavi is now also going with C. What will be your answer if the answer is not option number B? Now JKN has also changed his answer. Now my friends, for your surprise, the answer is option number B only, and this is what confidence is all about. Listen to me. I was just testing you whether you will change your answer or not. Maximum of you have changed it. The right answer was option number B only. In your life, even if you clear or not clear any exam, just be bloody confident. Okay, so in your exams, if you just know the answer, if you are even 99% sure, mark your answer as option B only. Do not get confused. Do not listen to any third voices which are coming from you. Be confident and mark your answer as B only. Cool. So this was just a live learning for you. Question number 55. Which of the following is an application software? Application software means what? Yes, Yashika is saying I didn't. So this completely means that you are confident. So this is good. Good. Question number 55. Yes, it's a googly. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you are enjoying the class, then please leave some comments in the, I would say in the comments of this particular video. That will motivate us to do good. Cool. Question number 55. Which of the following is an application software? In this question, let's check you again. Now see, maximum of you are going with E. How can a web browser be an application software? Use your brains, my friend. How can a web browser be an application software? I'm giving you one more option. Do you want to change your, I would say, what answers? If you want to change, this is the time. Spreadsheet. Harshal is now going with spreadsheet. Gaurav is again changing his answer to A, if I'm not wrong. The answer is E only, my friend. Again, web browser is a kind of an application software. Why? Because with the help of web browser, you can access to very lovely internet. Okay, spreadsheet is again a kind of what? MS Excel. So with MS Excel, you can prepare different kinds of charts and something. Okay, word processor and database. So if you are using MS Word, that is also an application software. You can definitely create different files. Database management system, again MS Outlook, if I'm not wrong, is a classic example of database. So that is also an application software. Application software basically means what? That they are providing you certain, what I would say, different kinds of activities. For example, in our phone we have different applications, WhatsApp, something like that, right? So I can access WhatsApp only if I install the app of WhatsApp. So in the same computer parlance, all these different kinds of software are an example of your application software only. Cool. Question number 56. Now, Dash is a structured database in which data is stored in the form of tables. Dash is the structured database in which data is stored in the form of tables. Is it network, hierarchical, cloud, or all of the above, or relational database? Cool. चलिए, question number 56. Yes, the answer will be relational. This we have also discussed, right? Rows को क्या बोलते हैं? Tuple. Fields को क्या बोलते हैं? Attributes. और columns को क्या बोलते हैं? Fields and attributes, so on and so forth. Okay. Question number 57. Last 4 questions to go. चलो, Internet Explorer and Firefox are referred to as what? Internet Explorers and your Firefox is referred to as what? They are referred to as your browsers. Okay, they are not your internet. ये मत लिख देना that they are your internet. With the help of these browsers, you can access to internet. Okay. Cool. The answer will be option number D. Question number 58. Which of the following is a computer program that converts assembly language to machine language? Assembly language to machine language. Yes, the right answer was the Modern Detective. Good name. Question number 58. A bit tired by sitting on the one place. Question number 58. Nilesh is going with D. But if I say you that if you have to transfer some high level language to machine language, then what you will use? If I give you the same set of options. Yes, the answer of this question is assembler. This I agree. But if I'm changing any high level language to machine language, then which is the converter which I will use? '58 पे I am asking you one more question. If I am changing high level language to machine language, then I will use what? Compiler or interpreter. Very good, Rohit. I can either use compiler or interpreter. The difference between compiler and interpreter is that compiler will give you one big paragraph and then it will tell you whether there are any mistakes or not. But interpreter will give you line by line coding kind of thing. Okay. Yes, can be both A and B. Good. I was expecting this answer only. Good. Question number 59. This we have already solved, my friend. One nibble is equals to what? 4 bits. Okay. And 1 byte is equals to what? 1 byte is equals to what? 8 bits. तो ये आपको याद रखना ही है. There is no other way to remember it. But this you have to remember. Cool. I hope each and everything is getting clear. Yes, interpreter line by line. That is good. 59. The answer will be option number A. Now the last question of the day. The mode of transmission that allows both communicating device or transmit to receive data simultaneously. Because of this particular word simultaneously, the whole answer will change. Is called as what? Question number 60. Yes. Question number 60 now. Full duplex, half duplex और simplex. There is nothing like simplex complex. तो ये सिर्फ आपको confuse कर रहा है option D तो. Option E तो होगा ही नहीं answer because we definitely have the answer. Yes, the answer will be full duplex. But if I say that only one person is sharing the information and the other person is not sharing the information, then your answer will be? Answer over here is full duplex. Under simplex, mind you, one person will share the information, other person will not share the information. Under full duplex means what? That one person is sharing the information, other person is also sharing the information, and this is happening at the same time, that is simultaneously. But there is also a concept of half duplex. Under half duplex, one person is sharing the information, and after listening to that particular information, other person is sharing the information. In this, there is no simultaneous kind of thing. Under full duplex, there is simultaneous. Therefore, the answer was option number A. Okay, but remember what is half duplex. Under half duplex, you give the information and then the other person will give you the information. Like we have your walkie-talkie, right? Walkie-talkie में what happens? One person gives the information to other person, and then that particular person listens to it, and then after listening to it, then other person shares the information. As simple as that. Okay. Now this is the end of my class, my friend. I hope you would have scored somewhere around 10 plus in each and every question paper. If you enjoyed the class, definitely leave your comments. It is given na that it is simultaneously. Simultaneously means what? That it is happening at the same time, Kaveri. Okay. Simultaneous means what? That it is happening at the same time. That is why the answer will be option number A only. Okay, my friends. If you have any doubt, if you have any other thing to ask, right now is the time. Waiting for 5 minutes. And yes, if you enjoyed the class, definitely leave your comments either on hello@edutap.co.in, or also you can leave the comments in the comment box. I hope you enjoyed the class, and yes, very all the I would say wish you best of luck for NABARD grade A. I hope you all are preparing in a good swing. So if you have any doubt, definitely you can ask over here. If not, then let's end our class. Go home and revise ARD, ESI, or any other component which you are facing difficulty. Happy that answering it correct. Yes, the session was really helpful. Welcome. Leave your comments in the comment box, not in the chat box. Once the video ends, you can leave it over here, because that only motivates us. We are not asking you for anything else. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding anything, you can ask me right now. If not, then we will close the class. Cool. Chaliye. I'm waiting for 5 seconds. If you have, and yes, you will get the PDF in the Telegram channel. So please do not ask me again. Waiting for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No issues. Go home and prepare as hard as possible. Okay, my friends. So that is the end of my class. Cool. Bye bye and take care.